Okay, so this week I focused on the linking of the other websites. I haven't really done much to this bottom part. I'm probably going to come back to that again, but so mainly what I worked on this week was I did all of these different. I needed to add more to my website to just have more on it, I guess, and to give more things to do, like to plan out on it. So on the where to stay, um, on this, I finished this part, but I added, like with tent camping, it's hyperlinked, and so it's bed and breakfast and RV. All the titles are pretty much linked, and then they'll take you to these pages. So if you clicked on hotel, like when you're viewing it, I'm on the editor's page so I can navigate you through what I've been doing. But like when you're normally visiting it, you can click on hotel and it'll take you to this page. And then on hotel, I have all these different websites that have their rate or well, I mean you have to like enter your information like your dates and the location where you want to go, but you can click on these places, and then I put this little reminder at the bottom just to, like always to look at like if you find a good deal, then go to that deal like is that their home hotel website and just check and make sure they don't have anything else going on, so you could like to make sure you don't get or you get a better deal. And then I made this one a little bit more simple. This one was one of the first ones I did. So this one's the Airbnb one. So I put pictures of like different things because Airbnb and VRBO are very like there's not like a like in a hotel you pretty much know what you're getting, but these can be so different. So I put like a cabin. I put like just I don't even know, just like a normal home, and then I put this cool one because you can like there's nice ones in areas and then there's really cheap ones and that aren't as nice in areas. And I just linked VRBO and Airbnb right here. Um, so camper RV. I liked this background because I thought it went well with this um, page, I guess. So I found these two websites where you can like either rent an RV or use someone else's. So those are cool sites I found. Bed and breakfast. I made this one a little bit chic, I guess maybe. And then tent camping. I put these are mainly where you can buy tents, and then Outdoors Geek, I'm pretty sure, is where you can rent one. And if you haven't noticed with the backgrounds at the beginning, they were white, and then like with the RV one, it was you could see the full picture of the camper, and then with this one, you can still see the background, but it makes it where you can read it better. Um, so like I said, or in my journal, the more I played with it, the more I found stuff out. So this is the how to get there page, and just like the other where to stay page, I have car, train, plane, and boat, and then like on boat and all the titles, train, car, and plane, you can click on those and they'll take you to their site. And so, and like a lot of these places like Kayak is on the hotel's website because it's really good at that one too. But it just lets you know that that is an option for those websites as well. And like this border, I found that you can add that, which I thought added a little something. And I might go back and like outline this or outline. I don't know. I've been doing stuff and then taking it back and messing around, just seeing what I think looks best. And I also added Uber and Lyft right here because some people that haven't really been anywhere still don't really know what those are. So I just wanted to add those. Um, so boat. I actually don't think I've gotten this far. Um, but I did do flights, and I chose this background because I really like the wing over all of this stuff because I think flying is kind of like a nicer way to travel. So this like shows that I mean if you are lucky enough to like get a window seat and look at what you're flying over. And so I put, I haven't decided if I want to like give a brief little thing about what these are, because like CheapOair, Cheap Flights, and Fly, those are websites that like compare prices, and then these are just um, like brands of flights or whatever they're called. And then Hopper is something you can like schedule a plan for. And then it can like watch or track when it's going to be cheapest and stuff. So I don't know if I might give a little summary of what these things are, or if I'll just let them figure that out. And I haven't gotten to train yet because I talked about in the how to get there that trains aren't as accessible and stuff. So basically, all I have left to do is these 3 pages down here, and then the recommendations page. Um, I think I already showed this the last test crit, but I did put a little purpose of this website to explain more in detail what it is and what it should be used for. Um, so yeah, I still have more work to do, but I mean, I'm not near done, but I've gotten a lot further this week than I have in the other weeks.